open. The last bar we're gonna open is until 2 a.m. So you can go to the disco club also in Cascade, yeah? And also, if you want to see me again, you can see me in a karaoke, if you love karaoke. Yeah. Now, sir, have you tried pouring some cocktails? You know, you're a bartender. Actually, I'm doing some flair show before, way back when I was 20s, yes.
Oh, you.
Yeah, 20s, yeah. We're doing like tricks like this all the time. Yeah, but now we become elders, so that's why no need. But before that, now we're gonna add some elderflower foam. So this is not a heavy cream. We're using some aquafaba, so some vegan alternative to our egg white, lemon juice, and also a Saint Germain. So yes, we're using some Saint Germain. There we go. So if you love your yucca spritz, Hamptons and spritz, yes, so elderflower spritz, you're gonna love this cocktail. So now we're gonna represent this one with the cloud of the curacao. As you can see, it's totally white. And now, sir, I have a job for you. Yeah, so you are the one who's gonna pour for me. It's okay? And I'm gonna put something here. Are you ready? Right, so I'm gonna put something here. Yeah.
One in the forehead.
One in the forehead. And you can do that. There you go, sir. There you go. For one for you. Another one. And I think there's one more, sir. Yeah, there you go. Another side for you here. I need one more. There you go. Where it goes from. I'm just trying that. Everybody.
One more.
You didn't say anything? No?
I was looking at this.
Don't look at me like that. There you go, sir. There you go, right? I'm getting intense today. There you go. The last round. Alright, so this is for you, sir. Yeah, because you want the proper texture. Now our azul black is fried curacao. Is anybody want to try our blue curacao here? How you want to try that? There you go for you. This is for you, so cheers.